Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about, do you need to signal on the road bends? So when you're driving on the road where the road goes left and right and it bends just like now slightly, do you have to signal? That's the question I like to answer in this video. Many learners, they get confused whether they should signal on the road bends towards left and towards right. Okay, so hopefully this video will help you to understand and answer that question. So if you're driving on the road, just say you're driving here and you bend slightly like that, okay? This will be counted as it's the same road. So if you're driving here and the road is bending towards left slightly, it's not really a sharp turning. It's just like you're driving on the same road. So here you don't have to signal to go left, or it could be towards right. You don't have to signal. But what if the road is actually has a sharp like that? It's the same road, but it's a sharp turning. What do you do then? In this case, it is good that you signal. Why? Because if there is somebody here who wants to cross the road, they need to know whether you are coming round or not, because they don't know whether this road goes straight or right. They don't know that. They need to know whether you are coming round so they could make a decision whether they should cross the road or not. Remember, you're not just signaling for other cars, you are also signaling for other road users, including pedestrians. Okay, so if it's a sharp turning, it is best that you signal so they know on the other side whether you are coming round or not, so they could make a decision. Okay, so let me just make it clear. If the bend or the turning is not sharp, don't signal whether it's left or it's right. Okay, but if it's sharp turning going left, or it could be going right, then signal. When I say sharp, I mean it's like going into a new road. It's like a turning left, but it's the same road, which means best you signal, because then others knows what you are doing. So just to give you an example here, as you can see, we are approaching a sharp bend towards left. It's a sharp turning towards left. And as you can see here, even though it's the same road, but it's like a turning left. So in a similar situation or similar turning, if it's a sharp one, my advice is put the signal on. That way, and the road that you are going in, they know that you are coming round. So just say there was somebody standing here now who wanted to cross the road here, they would know that you were coming round. Okay, it is your intention, you're telling others that you're coming round, because they don't know the road that you're going in. Same here, we're coming up to another sharp turning towards left, and as you can see, it is so sharp that it looks we are turning left. And it's best that we signal so others knows that we are coming around. Okay, so we put the signal left. If it's right, we do the same, signal right, but in this case it's left, so we signal left to go around. Like I said, there could be somebody here standing to cross the road and they would know that you're coming around. Okay, we only signal if the turning is sharp. In this case, as you can see, it's going towards right, but it's not sharp, which means we don't signal. We only signal if it's sharp, as if it's like a new road, or it's like turning into a new road. Okay, this one is not sharp enough, so we don't signal. We are coming up to another turning, which is a sharp one towards left, as you can see here. Even though it's the same road, same again, it's like turning left. In this case, we will signal because it's like turning left. So we signal left to make a turning here. Okay, I hope this makes it clear, and I hope you understand what I actually mean. If it is sharp turning, even though it's the same road, put the signal on. If it's not sharp, don't signal, because it's the same road. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.